Hey guys, in this video, we'll look at MIUISR, the latest update on ARM 11X, also known as the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40. Now, we'll just start with the version V3 because I was supposed to install this, but this came out after I installed V2, so there we have it. So this is the Telegram group. I'll give a link of that in the description below. You can just go ahead and download the ROM from the Telegram group as well. As you can see, it says download, click here and G drive. Also, there are a lot of there is one more update for this, though. Let's just go with the changelog of V3. So it says added OK Google voice search, voice match, and it automatically popped up. So if I just say OK Google, and it will pop up. Anyways, so that's the first thing. Then it's fixed advanced setting of music player crashing. So I actually don't use the music player, so I don't know what changes they have done with this. I mostly use online streaming services like Spotify and all. The third one is fixed Android Auto. Again, I do not use Android Auto, so not relevant to me. Added some apps in app dark mode. Then it says improve device performance and optimization. Now with V3, I saw some optimizations regarding to gaming, regarding to heating, and there's that. Anyways, the next one is remove Google Photos, remove unlimited Google Photos temporarily. Now this is removed from the V3 version and it is not there on the latest version as well. Anyways, moving on to the latest version, the changelog says updated new game booster. So the game booster is updated. Let's say if I open a PUBG or BGMI, now I'll get that latest game booster animation. If you can see right here, it says game turbo boosted successfully. That's the latest game booster. So if I just slide from here, as you can see, that's the latest game booster. Also, this supports 90 FPS gaming on PUBG BGMI. So if I just go to settings, let it load. If I just go to settings, dang it, I hate these things. Okay, if I just go to settings and I just go to graphics, I have selected smooth and 90 FPS. So you get 90 FPS gaming. That's pretty cool. Call of Duty still works at medium 120 or any higher settings at 60 FPS. So there's that. Anyways, let's just go to the Telegram group again. So it says updated new game booster. We just saw that. Added MeFitUp. So it has the MeFitUp. I do not use a smartwatch, smart band, fitness tracker, whatever you call it. So you have the MeFitness app. If someone uses that app, it's great for them. Anyways, and I'll just cancel this. It says kernel change to wild engine kernel. Now I should have shown this at the beginning, but if I just go to settings and my device, and then MIUI version is MIUISR by Zero Light 22.3.16 beta, and the kernel is changed. If I just went to all specs, and the kernel is 4.19.234 wild engine kernel. Now this kernel is good. I've got pretty good battery life. It heats. The heating was a bit less in V3, but here it's a bit more. With regards to gaming, with regards to media, there was no heating that I noticed. And as you know, I only use it for media and gaming. This is not my primary device. I have installed SIM card just to check the battery drain, and the battery drain is very good. I didn't lose. I lost, I believe, from 0 to 2% a night. That's pretty cool. Anyways, let's just go to the Telegram group. So it says kernel change to wild angel. Now we just saw that. It says added Google feed and swipe to search. So for your -1 screen, you have Google feed. That's pretty cool. I could just pinch, go to settings, more, and here you have -1 screen. If I just tap on that, it says App Vault or Google Discover. So that's cool. I can just select App Vault and I'll get my App Vault. If I just pinch and just go to settings again, -1 screen will be Google Discover, and my Google Discover page is on the right of the screen. Pretty cool. Anyways, let's go to the Telegram group again. It says remove text from home screen widget. Some text has been removed from the widget. Then remove 90 Hz option due to change kernel. Now, because that kernel is changed, under display, we do not have, where's that? Refresh it. We do not have that 90 Hz option because I didn't notice any issues with the 90 Hz option, but people were complaining that 90 Hz and 120 Hz were using the same amount of battery. I did not test it personally, but people were saying that, so might be true. A lot of people were saying this, so there's that. Anyways, let's just close this up, and some minor fixes. That's it. So as I told you, as for battery, I was getting around 5.5 hours to 6.5 hours with 24 hours of usage. With more than 24 hours of usage, like 27 or 28 hours, it was around 5 hours. That's pretty cool. If I just show you my battery stats, and this is you shouldn't go by these battery stats because these are personal to me. Anyways, let's just go to battery, and here you can see my device was turned on for 23:39. That's almost a day. I mostly used it for Netflix and PUBG Battlegrounds. So my screen on time was 6 hours and 56 minutes. Now this is because I didn't receive any calls. I just used Telegram and Netflix, YouTube, some music via Spotify, and PUBG BGMI. So I got pretty good screen on time. If you use calling and all, it will be a little bit less. Anyways, one of the great things which I don't think I mentioned earlier is that it has the Me dialer. What's great about this dialer is that when you record a call, you don't get that prompt that this call is being recorded. I don't know what's the problem with that, but if you didn't want the other party to hear that your call is being recorded, use this ROM. Anyways, that's been it. Oh yeah, the benchmarks. So if I just go to Antutu, this is the score that I got, 652,705, a bit less than MIUI, a bit more than the last version of MIUISR. So there's that, 652,705. With Geekbench, where's Geekbench? Okay, with Geekbench, I ran the test 2 or 3 times. I'll just go to history. So that's the latest one, March 19th. I got a single core of 952 and 3158 for multi-core. Now this is almost the same as MIUI, I believe around the ballpark what MIUI gives. With CPU throttle, that's a different ball game altogether. If I just go to gallery, oh, pretty nice symphony, as you can see. Heart rates and suddenly the person is dying. Anyways, jokes aside, the CPU throttle to 76%. So if this graph is to be believed, the performance is not good, the kernel is not good, and if anyone from the dev team is seeing this, do change the kernel. This does not look good. The CPU throttle to 76%. That's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 level throttling. I don't know what's happening here. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Looks something like this. I believe it's something like this. Share it with the friends so they also know what's new in the latest update of MIUISR. Comment for any queries regarding this ROM, regarding any ROM. If you want me to try any other ROMs, let me know in the comments as well. If you want me to try out other benchmarks, let me know in the comments as well. And since you're commenting, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.